us leave here. She stands here before you, a downtrodden victim of fate.
The neon golden age. You're welcome to the South Police Parade. You're welcome to the neon golden age. You're welcome.
Noble Captain, you are welcome. You've not been a lodger of mine this year and a half. Hand me down those fetters there. We have them of all prices from 1 guinea to 10, and it's fitting every gentleman should
Thanks for
please
watching.
himself.
I understand you, sir.